If you're thinking of purchasing an electric bike, you're probably wondering what to look for. You're probably confused by the vast array of models. So what makes a great e-bike? You'll want one that can deliver power, range, and a comfortable ride. In this video, we'll look at the different factors that affect these attributes. Here is a great unit on Amazon you should consider. This unit comes with various features, so make sure to read the reviews to see if it fits your needs.
This is my second foldable electric bike. The first one had fat tires, was very heavy and bulky, and it was a hassle to put it into a car/trunk. Scratched the bike and the car doing that. Now this one is surprisingly good. I don't really need fat tires, so these tires are much faster and lighter. The motor is more powerful. The bike is very compact yet feels perfectly fine when I am riding. I'm 6" and 190 pounds. I like the design, not just the looks, but the ideas behind this bike. I am really impressed. Also, this bike has no gears, but the chain ratio is so good that it's easy to pedal, and I like that. All in all, I am very happy with this purchase. Things are getting better and better every day. Impressive value. Bang for your buck. This electric bike is probably the best bike I ever had. I will recommend this to all Amazon buyers. This bike is so cool that my 2 kids scramble for it. I might need to buy another one. It's very easy and comfortable to ride. The power is so strong. Click the link in description for more reviews.